From FNNO.com, this is the Financial News Network. I'm Chuck Pierce, and here's a few things to watch for in the financial world today, January 10th. Morgan Stanley could be cutting some 1,600 jobs at its securities unit, according to sources familiar with the matter. The layoffs are just the start of a wider effort to cut costs in the face of new regulations and capital standards. CEO James Gorman said in July he was dedicated to cutting costs and planned to reduce overall staff by 7% in 2012, a plan that didn't include these new layoffs. The additional cuts represent a little less than 3% of Morgan Stanley's workforce. It is unclear if these cuts will actually happen, but the speculation hasn't deterred the stock so far in today's session. Tiffany Co releasing its holiday sales results this morning and sees a dismal performance as compared to last year. The jeweler saw just a 4% sales increase to $992 million, lower than the 7% increase in 2011. Chairman and CEO Michael Kowalski said because of this lower than expected performance, the company now sees net earnings for the fourth quarter to be in the lower end of the forecasted range of $3.20 to $3.40 per share. Analysts are expecting fourth quarter EPS of $3.31. Finally, Herbalife is still on the minds of investors today after news the SEC opened an investigation into the nutritional supplements company. The probe will likely look at the company's sales practices. Because of this news, two hedge fund managers are now taking sides. Bill Ackman, the head of Pershing Square Capital, started trying to take down Herbalife in December, calling the company the, quote, best managed pyramid scheme in the history of the world, end quote, and contends shares of the company are worth nothing. In response, Daniel Loeb of Third Point Management takes the opposite side, saying he has bought 8% of Herbalife, believes the stock will rise to the $55 to $68 range, and says the accusation of the company being a pyramid scheme does not have merit. Herbalife shares had an up and down day yesterday and could have the same going in today's session. Those were a few things to watch out for here on the Financial News Network. For more coverage and analysis of the business world, follow us on Twitter at FNN Online or check out our website at FNNO.com.